Hello, students. Today we'll learn the lesson number 6. It's only a matter of practice. This story is about an archer. Long ago, in faraway China, there lived an archer called Chen Yoji. He was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. So, this is a story of Chen Yoji who was an archer. Chen Yoji, he was a very skilled archer and could perform wonderful feats of archery. The Chen Yoji was very talented. He could hit the target precisely at the center even when it was placed at a very long distance. Precisely means exactly. The Chen Yoji can hit the target perfectly even if the target was placed at very long distance. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. He always liked to show off his skills. And this is the wrong thing. See how. One day he was practicing his skill in front of many admirers when he noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying jars of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. So, what happened one day when he was practicing his skills? The admirers in front of many admirers. Then he noticed one old man with with guards of oil, and these are hanging from a long cane on his shoulder. Now all the other people were clapping their hands and praising Jane Yosi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor uttered words of praise. So Chen Yoji get angry that this old man is not praising me, my skills. He just stood there nodding his head and said, "It's just a matter of practice." The old man said, "It's just a matter of practice. What grade you are doing? You have practiced so you can do this like this." Now the Chen Yoji was annoyed. "Are you an archer yourself? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrows?" The old man replied, "No, sir, I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. All I said was, everything's a matter of practice." Chinyaji became very angry. "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" Then the old man said, "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller, as you must have guessed from the guards. Every day I fill these guards with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have achieved some skill in filling the guards. If you allow, I will show it to you." Then the old man said to Chen Yosi, "Please don't be angry. You have seen my gauze and understood that I am a oil seller, and by selling this oil after for a long period of time I have obtained some skills. If you allow me, I can show my skills to you." Growled Chen Yazi. Everybody was curious to see what would happen next. Hey students, now see what happened next. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up, took some oil in his ladle, and began to pour oil into the gourd from a height. So what the old man does, he settled down the empty gourd on the ground, and he put a small coin on the mouth of that gourd. And this coin is having a small hole at the center. Now what did the old man? He stood up and took some oil in the ladle and began to pour that oil into the gourd from a height. From a long distance. The oil went straight into the gourd through the hole in the coin. Amazing! From a height and from a small hole, the oil is getting into the gourd and not spill out. When the old man had finished filling up the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. There is no oil on the coin. Amazing, isn't it? The people watching it were speechless with wonder, but the old man only smiled. As I said, there is nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. See, this old man is not having the show off for his skill. Chen Yozi lost all his anger and annoyance. He just gave a short laugh and said, "You have taught me something important today." After that, Chen Yozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. So what you get from this lesson, students? You should never show off your skills. Be humble, be polite, and be always on the ground. Let's see the hard words from this lesson. Archer. Archer means someone who shoots arrows from a bow. Second hard word is feats, F-E-A-T-S. Feats means achievements that require a lot of skill, strength, etc. Third word is precisely. Precisely means exactly. The next word is guards. Containers made from dried large fruit with a hard skin. Do you know pumpkin? From pumpkin, the gourd may be constructed. Uttered, 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 meaning is said. Speechless means unable to speak. So these are the hard words from this chapter. Exercise. Answer the following question. Who was Chen Yozi? Chen Yozi was an archer. What did he like? He liked to show off his skills. What did the old man say? The old man said, "It's just a matter of practice." What could the old man do? Describe it in one sentence. The old man can do a amazing skill for pouring the oil into the gourds from a height. Old man put the gourds at an height on the ground and poured the oil in the gourd from a small hole of the coin, and not a single drop of oil be spilled on the coin. The last question, what did Chen Yozi tell the old man at the end? Chen Yozi told to the old man at the end that you have taught me something very important today. So this is how we have learned the lesson 6. If you like the video, please press the like button and share the video with your friends. Thank you.